Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're solving a definite integral. We have a definite integral from 1 to 4 of u minus 2 divided by the root of u du. Okay, first thing we need to remember is that the integral from a to b of f of x dx, a function, is equivalent to the antiderivative or the primitive or the original function evaluated on the upper bound minus the primitive evaluated on the lower bound. Okay, so let's start by manipulating our integrand here so we are able to find easier that integral. So we have the integral from 1 to 4 of u minus 2 divided by u to the 1/2 du. Now let's remember our concept and idea of partial fractions, and we'll have a plus b divided by c is equals to a over c plus b over c. Okay, we're able to divide each one by the denominator, and that's what we're going to do here. We'll have the integral from 1 over 4, from 1 to 4 of u over u to the 1/2 minus 2 over u to the 1/2, and all this du. Okay, what is coming next? Let's remember the property a to the n over a to the m is equivalent to a to the n minus m. The other one is a to the negative n is equals to 1 over a to the n. We'll see this one backwards on the second term. Okay, let's continue. We don't see here the exponent of u, but there's a 1 in there. So we'll have 1 minus 1/2 according to this property. 1 minus 1/2 is just 1/2, so we have the integral from 1 over 4 to 4 of u to the 1/2 minus, and if I have u to the 1/2 on the 2 over u to the 1/2 on the denominator, this could come up to the numerator as a negative exponent du. Now we're ready to integrate. We'll have 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. We'll have u to the 3/2 and this divided by 3/2 minus 2. Negative 1/2 plus 1/2 will be just 1/2 exactly divided by 1/2. Okay, and this needs to be evaluated from 1 to 4. Okay, let's continue. This 3 over 2 will flip and we'll have basically 2/3 u to the 3/2 minus, this will be 4 u to the 1/2, and this will be evaluated from 1 to 4. Basically what we need to do here is evaluate the function on 4 and then subtract, we'll need to subtract the function evaluated on 1. Okay, so we'll have 2/3 times 4 to the 3/2 minus 4 times 4 to the 1/2. Okay, that's my first part there, minus what else we'll have there? We'll have, in this case, 2/3 times 1 to the 3/2 minus 4 times 1 to the 1/2. Okay, let's do a little bit of algebra here. What do we have? 4 to the 3/2 means the square root of 4 and then elevated to the cube. So just a quick parenthesis for you here if you don't remember this. If you have, in this case, 4 to the 3/2, this is equivalent of saying 4 to the 1/2 and this elevated to the cube, because those exponents will multiply. And then I could easily calculate just the square root of 4, which is 4 to the 1/2, and it's 2, and that to the cube will be 8. Minus 4 to the 1/2, that is 2 times 4, that's another 8 there, minus these expressions here, because those are just ones. This is 1 and this is 1, so we just keep the first elements. That will be 2/3 minus 4. Okay, let's see what can we solve here. This will be 16/3 minus 8, and let's distribute that negative into the parentheses, minus 2/3 and plus 4. 16/3 minus 2/3, that's 14/3, and negative 8 plus 4, that will be negative 4. We want to make this one into thirds, so times 3 times 3, and we'll have something like 14/3. Let's shrink this up. 14/3 minus 12/3, and the answer is just 2/3. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember, send your questions, follow us on social media where we'll be happy to help.